What's happening, guys? I'm Rob Ace, and I'm here back again with another video. This week, I will be making a Naruto jacket in a different style than I usually do. So, tell me what you guys think. It was an experiment. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up, and if you love it, go ahead, tap that subscribe. Naruto's spin-off Boruto was definitely a lot less interesting than Naruto was, but one of the good things that came from it was Naruto's final transformation called Baryon Mode, which had me too hyped when I saw it. I'm replicating this, starting out with the outline and the face to set the tone. Unlike my usual paintings, I painted way outside the center seams, onto the shoulders, and onto the sides of the jacket. This was way more difficult to paint over the seams and deal with the curves of the jacket. I wouldn't suggest it unless it's a part of your vision.
6 months later.
By this point, I had completely given up on this painting for like 6 months and started a whole different project. I decided I hated this one temporarily, but once I finally spun back, I added the details and I began to like it again. But enough talking, here's the final product. Yo, I am glad I spun back around and finished this jacket, but I want you guys in the comments to let me know, was it worth it? If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to tap that like button and also hit that subscribe button. And as always, I hope to see you again soon.